Easton Global 4 is a healthcare private equity fund that is investing in innovative, early-stage life science companies across the board, from therapeutics, diagnostics, medical devices, and healthcare technology. Innovation and capital-efficient ways in generally something where we're the first institutional investor. We are investing in a theme where we're looking at a new private equity model where we have actively managed the companies. So inflection points are really a critical part in adding value to our portfolio companies. Along the way, our initial investment will generally be in a Series A, because we're generally the first institutional investment, and we'll have a very clear idea and milestone of what that first value inflection point, generally being completion of a product or a trial where we get some data. From there, everything changes. Then you have to determine what your next value inflection points are. And what we'll do is we'll fund to those levels, we'll work with our syndication partners, and we'll ensure that those companies are constantly achieving value inflection points. So Easton has a unique opportunity in that we've been in the marketplace since 1999. So we've got a long history of people who have been sourcing in the market. And each one of us has unique access to deal flow, and we get it through a variety of different sources. It's from talking in the marketplace, talking to entrepreneurs, going to accelerators or incubators and meeting with entrepreneurs. It's the fact that when we identify and hear something that we think is unique, we act immediately. Across our portfolio, there are opportunities to take investments that we identify anywhere in the world and develop it in the U.S. ecosystem, which has not only the opportunity to get the capital to source and to develop these programs, but that ecosystem for development, which you do not get most places around the world. Execution is critical. So in order for these companies to be successful, you have to have an innovative technology, something that is an unmet market need that has a large commercial opportunity. So commercial is very critical. You have to have a team that knows how to execute, and around the table you need to have the support. Partnerships that we see are critical across the entire investment continuum, from identifying opportunities for investment, partnering to ensure that we are getting the best deal flow across all the different sectors, because not everybody can be everywhere, so partnerships are really critical in that stage. Any venture fund is making an investment in a company. You really want to have the right syndication partners around the table. First of all, to diversify the risk. Then it's the art form of when you exit. When have you achieved the maximized value within a company prior to that exit? And we vet a company and we get them into the portfolio, we have already identified what the natural exit opportunities are. We fundamentally believe that M&A is the primary opportunity for you. However, we don't discount the public markets. Many times we are co-investing with natural exit partners who are strategic investors, or we've identified these partners in advance and we've identified what their specific requirements are. So the milestones are always real.